Hey, stop scrolling for just 5 minutes. What if I told you the universe has been whispering secrets to us for over a century? Secrets written in the fabric of space and time itself. And we finally built a machine sensitive enough to hear them. This is the story of gravitational waves, Einstein's whisper from the universe. Let's dive in. In 1916, Albert Einstein made a bold prediction. When massive objects like stars or black holes accelerate, they create ripples in space and time. He based this on his general theory of relativity from 1915, where gravity isn't a force but a warping of space-time by mass. Just like a rock thrown into a pond creates ripples, merging black holes create ripples in space-time. But Einstein thought they would be so faint that we might never detect them. Fast forward nearly a century. In 2015, Ligo finally proved Einstein right. Ligo has 2 long arms, each 4 kilometers, in an L shape. A laser beam is split in 2 and sent down each arm. Mirrors at the ends reflect the beams back. If nothing changes, the beams cancel each other out. No light reaches the detector, but if a gravitational wave passes through Earth, it stretches one arm and compresses the other by a tiny amount. Ligo can detect changes as small as 1/10,000th the width of a proton, about 10 to the minus 19th meters. That's like detecting a change in distance to Alpha Centauri with accuracy smaller than a human hair. September 14, 2015, it happened. A clear, unmistakable signal arrived first at the Louisiana detector. Then, just 7 milliseconds later, the exact same signal appeared in Washington. It was a beautiful rising chirp lasting less than half a second. Scientists called it GW 150914. Far away, in a distant galaxy, 1.3 billion years ago, 2 massive black holes were trapped in a death spiral. One was 29 times the mass of our sun, the other 36 times, moving at nearly half the speed of light before they merged. 3 solar masses worth of energy was released as gravitational waves, more energy than all the stars in the observable universe combined. The universe had finally spoken to us, confirming Einstein's century-old prediction. In 2017, scientists detected a neutron-star collision in both gravitational waves and light. Both signals arrived within 1.7 seconds, confirming gravitational waves travel at light speed. Since then, Ligo and Virgo have detected over 90 gravitational wave events. Future detectors will be even more sensitive, able to hear gravitational waves from the Big Bang itself. We are no longer just looking at the universe, we are listening to its cosmic symphony, written in the curvature of reality. The greatest discoveries are still to come. If this cosmic journey amazed you, don't let this video disappear into the void. Subscribe to our Universal Universe channel for daily cosmic adventures, and don't forget to share and like this video. The universe is calling, and now we know how to listen.